I mean, you're dynamic, and we can pivot into you handling deals for everybody else. Everybody does deals with you because you're outgoing, right? And like they do deals with you because you're an extrovert, and you just don't really see that a lot when you are really digging into the details. Like when I think of a dude with a degree in economics, I think of a guy in the back of the room doing QuickBooks, not talking to anybody, like Chase.
Well, let's be real. Everyone does deals with Dean because Dean brings you more, makes you more money. That's ultimately where it would start. Or you've done a deal with Dean because you wanted to try it out, and you were like, you know what, this is phenomenal. And then you have a few phone calls with Dean, and he's hopping on there. And he's like, "What it do, baby?" And you just keep going, and it becomes like you're almost like a damn crackhead for some Dean Rogers, right? You're like, let me call Dean. I ain't got shit to talk about, but I'm gonna call Dean just because I need that energy, right? And so I think him being able to do.
Mike always calls me when he's getting food too.
It is, huh? I'm always getting food when I'm talking to you. And I'm always like, man, it's packed. It's packed over here. Man. It's packed over here. But it starts for me. It's the fact that he brings so much value. But then the thing is, he's so fun, and he's so fun to talk to, and you get just so much for just the energy coming from him. I think it keeps bringing you back.
I don't know about you guys, but one of the things that just gets me the most excited is just like progress, like just not only winning, but it's not just about one win for me. Like I want to go to the top, and I don't want to do it alone. Like when I first started, I wanted to do it alone to prove it to myself first, but then like prove it to the like haters that I imagined. Like I didn't really have a lot of haters, right?
Came up with his own haters.
But I told myself I had haters, like Michael Jordan and his, series that he had. He would make up stuff about.
And at that moment,
yeah.
What is it, Stratton? And at that moment, he what? When he sat in the chair,
I took that personally.
I took that personally.
And I took that personally. And I still do take a lot of things personally. But it's really just for that motivation, right? Like, and I do want to grow with people, but at least for me, like in sports, like that's what got me going. Like, all right, fuck these guys, like the haters, like whoever it was, because it is easy to do it in sports, I think.